Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this irrational number 14 minus 8 root 60 by 6 times root 20 minus 10 root 12 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 14 minus 8 times 60, if I'll take LCM, 2 times 30, 15, 3 times 5 and 5 times 1. So these two pair come out times 2 root 3 times root 5 by 6 times similarly 20 root 10 5 1. These pair will come out from the square root. So 2 times root 5 minus 10 times 12 as 2 root 3. 2 times root. Now 14 minus 8 times 2 is 16 root 15 by 12 root 5 minus 20 root 3. Now if I'll take 2 as common from numerator and denominator, so it becomes 7 minus 8 root 15 by 6 root 15, 6 root 5 minus 20 give us 10 root 3. We can cancel out this 2. So 7 minus 8 root 15 by 6 root 15 minus 10 root 3. Now this is an irrational number. To make it irrational or to remove the denominator from roots, I have to use the componendo and dividendo rule, which says that you have to multiply with the denominator but with opposite sign in numerator as well as denominator. So 6 root 5 plus 10 root 3 by 6 root 5 plus 10 root 3. So I'm going to multiply all the terms of numerator. So first 7 with the whole term and then minus 8 root 15 with the whole term. So 7 times 6 is 42 root 5 plus 70 root 3 minus 8 times 6 is 48 root 75, 15 times 5 plus minus minus 80 root 30, 15 times 3 is 45 by. In denominator, we are going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So our a square is 6 root 5 whole square minus 10 root 3 whole square. Now 42 root 5 plus 70 root 3 minus 48 times root 75. If we take out the LCM, 2 times 3, 3 times 2 and 5, 5 times 5 and 1. So there is 5 came outside, root 3 minus 80, 45 if I write, 3, 15, 3, 5 and 5 times 1. So 3 will come out, root 5 by 6 root 5 square. 6 square is 36 and 36 times 5 is 180 minus 10 square is 100 times 3 is 300. Now 42 root 5 plus 70 root 3 minus 48 times 5 is 240 root 3 minus 240 root 5 by negative 120. So we can solve root 3 with root 3 and root 5 with root 5. So 42 minus 240 is negative 198 root 5 minus negative 170 root 3 by negative 120. If I take negative sign common from the numerator, it becomes negative 198 root 5 plus 170 root 3 by negative 120. We can cancel out the negative. If I'll take 2 common from numerator and denominator, so it becomes 99 root 5 plus 85 root 3 by 2 times 60. So final answer is 99 root 5 plus 85 root 3 by 60. So that's how we can eliminate the root from the denominator. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.